Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to merge PDF files using the Python module, that is PyPDF4. So this is the latest module provided in Python in order to perform the PDF operations. So before going to program, so here is my sample PDF. I have taken two PDF, that is PDFA and PDFB. So let me show you. So PDF A contains single page that contains the character A. So I have filled this PDF with the character A and it contains only one page. Closing it. And another PDF. Let me open the PDF B. And you can see this also contains the one page. And I have filled the characters, that is PDF with the B, that is the characters. Yeah, so let me close this. So now I'll be writing a code to merge these two PDF. So I only need a class object. So let's import the class object, that is to merge the PDF. So let's use the module, that is PyPDF4. So I need to import only a single class, that is PDF merge. So this is my class, and once we are done importing, so let's take the, that is all the PDF files present over here into a list, that is files equals to, I'll take a list of file names, that is pdfa.pdf. So this is my first file name, and second file name is pdfb.pdf. So if you have multiple file names, so you can actually add over here, that is keep adding to the list. So this is the type of list. So I have only two PDF, so I'll be using only two, that is a list containing two items. So once we are done taking the list of file names, so I'll take a object, I'll instantiate this object, that is let's say final_pdf. So this is my final PDF object, and let's instantiate the class, that is PdfFileMerger. So this is my class, and yeah, so we have to keep appending all the files to the, that is final PDF. So this is my object. So let me use the for loop to iterate all the files present in the files, and let's append it to the final PDF. So I take file in file. So this is my list. So I am trying to iterate all the items present in the list and append it to the final PDF. So let me copy it. Final PDF dot append. So I have to append the file. So once we are done appending the file, so we have to write it to some file name. So let's use the object, that is final PDF dot write. So I'll be writing it to something like final.pdf. So this is my final PDF, and once we are done writing, so I have to close the, that is close the write. So let's use final PDF dot close. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to merge PDF files using, that is using the Python module PyPDF4. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So the program has been completed, and you can see that is final PDF has been generated over here. So let me open this. Yeah, so you can see that it contains two pages, and let me go above. So you can see this is the first PDF containing the character A, and this is the next, that is a second PDF containing the characters B, and it has been merged, that is containing the two pages. Yeah, so this is the complete Python program to merge two or more PDF using the Python module, that is PyPDF4. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.